Major repairs are needed for several Little Rock schools following the snowstorm. 5 campuses are closed while repairs are being made. At least 2 schools will stay closed next week. Haley Brooks has an inside look at those schools and when students will be going back into the classrooms.
This is what it looks like at Hall High School after the storm, with similar problems at Parkview and Central. Repairs underway and the schools are open. But there's still significant pipe damage at 5 other schools, leaving the doors closed at least another week.
We have a 100-year storm that's so dramatic, and then you couple that with the age of buildings, you're going to end up having some problems.
Jefferson Elementary, Watson Elementary, and Cloverdale Middle School are all closed this week while crews are drying out the schools. These campuses are expected to be open next week. Superintendent Mike Poor says over at Pulaski Heights Elementary and Middle School, it's a different story. The damage was so extensive, it's unclear when the campus will reopen.
We not only had water pipes that broke, but we also lost all electricity to the campus.
The campus still has no electricity or running water. Poor says the district is exploring other options for in-person learning starting Monday. In Little Rock, I'm Haley Brooks.